Hello everyone, today we will show you how to draw a unicorn like this. But before we start, I need a little help to continue teaching you how to draw. I only ask for two little things: press the like button and subscribe, please. These things are free and fast and will help me a lot, because I'm a small channel and YouTube is kinda hard for small channels. Starting by making a circle for the left eye and make another circle of the same size for the right eye. And it don't have to be a perfect circle, okay? You can circle freehand or use some tool or thing that has a circular shape to help you. Now add a small highlight circle on the upper right side of the first eye and another small highlight circle on the upper left side of the second eye. Add a very small highlight circle on the lower left side of the first eye and another tiny highlight circle on the lower right side of the second eye. Draw two small curved lines for our unicorn's eyelashes. Do the same thing on the second eye in the right direction. Let's fill those eyes areas around the highlight in black. Now let's start making the unicorn's hair by drawing a big curved line with two tapered shapes, one in the bottom and one in the top. Basically, for the rest of his hair, draw the locks of hair using some tapered shapes, just varying their sizes. We will close off the left side of the head with a half oval with a bend up in the top. And we will do the opposite thing for the other side. Let's add one nostril on each side. And now make the muzzle by drawing half oval. For the left ear, draw a curved line with a bend at the end in each side of the ear. For the right ear, draw two curved lines. Now add two straight lines with a small curve on top of each one. Let's add the texture along the inside with these short lines going across. For draw the first paw, draw kinda hook but with a flattened base. Do the inverse for the second paw. For the third paw, draw an oval leaning to the left. And for the fourth paw, draw oval leaning to the right. Now add two tiny curved lines, one between the two paws of the left side and the other between the two paws on the right side. Now draw slightly larger curved lines on either side between the head and the paws. Well, our unicorn's almost ready. Now you can add some tweaks if needed. Tweaks like make some lines thicker or erase some errors, etc. For example, if you did your drawing with a pencil, you can now redraw the lines with a pen. By doing this, you can give your drawings another face. And after that, you can color your unicorn if you want. You can use the same colors I used, or you can use other colors that you like more. So, did you like this drawing? Let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to help me out by leaving a like and subscribing. These two fast little things are going to help me a lot, guys. Really. Thank you so much for watching, for your patience, and see you in the next video. Bye!